Most companies come to America to sell. This one came to put down roots. Nearly 70 years ago, Toyota made a promise to weave themselves into the fabric of our communities and invest directly in the American workforce. Now, see how that legacy is defining the future of mobility in the new documentary special, Built to Last, Toyota's Mobility Journey, a journey that uncovers what it means to be a good neighbor and the core conviction driving every mile.
It's really about our overall philosophy at Toyota, and that is to build where we sell and buy where we build.
The show opens in America's heartland, celebrating 40 years of manufacturing excellence in Georgetown, Kentucky, Toyota's largest plant in the world, stretching across a massive 9 million square feet.
The American dream is alive in Kentucky, that if you work hard and you play by the rules, you can leave your kids better off than you had it.
A promise that echoes from the lines of Kentucky to the factory floors of Indiana.
Something I'm most proud of is the generations that we have of team members.
My dad's been working here for about 25 years, and I actually got an older sister and a younger brother that works here too.
But a legacy isn't just about where you've been, it's about where you're going. See how that foundation is driving a massive transition toward an electrified future, anchored by a $14 billion battery frontier rising out of the North Carolina dirt.
I tell our team members, we have a front row seat to the biggest change in the automotive industry and transportation in 100 years.
An evolution that expands far beyond the factory floor, unlocking a closed-loop sustainable blueprint.
Our job is to try to improve the ecosystem and all those things that work together.
A commitment to the planet, matched by a deeper responsibility that shares life-saving safety research with the entire world.
We're fulfilling our higher purpose, and that is providing happiness and mobility for all, no matter what brand you drive or where you live.
From the clean rooms of Liberty to the command centers of Texas, join Celena Rae on the front lines with the leaders, innovators, and families defining the road ahead.
Beyond the cutting-edge technology, it's the resilient spirit and dedication of the American worker that powers our next great leap in mobility. This is Built to Last, Toyota's Mobility Journey.
Airing June 27th on Discovery Turbo and streaming on Discovery Go.